The world is on the brink of something extraordinary. Machines are starting to think for themselves. Intelligence is no longer just a human trait. And at the heart of this revolution is Tesla. Many still view Tesla as just a car company. But that perspective is already outdated. The real innovation happens behind closed doors. In a quiet lab, metal begins to learn movement. A robot named Optimus is coming to life. Elon Musk once referred to it as a helper. But that's like calling fire just warmth. This robot isn't just for serving coffee. It's designed to shape our entire future. Imagine a world where labor costs disappear, where robots create robots in endless cycles. Factories operate without breaks or fear. Machines are learning to improve themselves. This isn't just a fantasy, it's Tesla's vision. Every part of Tesla's empire is interconnected. Autonomous driving is training the robot's mind. Neural networks are constantly learning from endless human data. Every car acts as a moving AI classroom. With each mile, Optimus learns to think more like us. But here's something many overlook. Optimus isn't just another Tesla product. It represents a major shift in Tesla's business model. They're moving from selling cars to selling synthetic minds. Let's take a moment to look at the current landscape. China dominates the rare earth materials market. They hold the key to every electric dream we have. But Tesla anticipated this challenge long ago. They engineered motors that don't rely on rare earths. No rare earths mean no limits and no dependencies. They designed freedom before the constraints emerged. This is what truly sets Tesla apart. They don't just react, they foresee the battlefield. While others panic, Tesla changes the rules. When supply chains crumble, Tesla localizes. When materials grow scarce, they reinvent them. When competition copies, Tesla already evolves. It's not luck. It's strategic foresight in motion. They're not chasing the future, they're building it. And every genius move circles back to AI. Let's talk about valuation for a moment. Analysts once said Tesla's stock was overpriced. They said it couldn't go higher. Ever again. Now those same analysts whisper a new number. $900, maybe more. Because the math has changed forever. Autonomy and humanoid robotics are the keys. Cars are just training wheels for this evolution. Tesla's real product isn't transportation anymore. It's intelligence at scale. Think about that for a second. What happens when a robot learns anything? When one Optimus learns, the rest learn instantly. Knowledge becomes just a software update away. That's exponential growth on a planetary level. Factories filled with Optimus units won't tire. They won't strike, complain, or forget instructions. They'll work with precision 24 hours straight. And Tesla will own the code behind them. This isn't just robotics, it's the dawn of physical AI dominance. Tesla is transforming intelligence into infrastructure. Once it scales, competition will be a thing of the past. The next industrial revolution won't rely on humans. It'll need code, energy, and purpose. Tesla already has all three in motion. The real question is, how far will it go? When intelligence becomes physical, everything changes. Machines that can move, build, and create are on the horizon. We're stepping into a world beyond imagination. Optimus isn't just a robot. It's evolution reborn. And Tesla? It's holding the blueprint for tomorrow. Behind every electric hum, a plan unfolds. Tesla isn't just building cars, it's building cognition. Every sensor, every chip, every mile matters. They're training a digital brain to see reality. These cars aren't just vehicles, They're data farms. Every drive is a lesson in human behavior. Every turn, stop, and mistake feeds the AI. Tesla's fleet is the largest training ground on Earth. That's the secret weapon no one can copy. You can clone factories, but not neural experience. While others chase production numbers and style, Tesla captures intelligence at an atomic level. Each update pushes humanity one step ahead. Every improvement multiplies across millions instantly. That's not just progress. That's evolution in motion. But the real story is where this leads us. Autonomous cars are only the first stage. Humanoid robots are the logical next leap.
Once AI masters the road, it masters the world. Optimus isn't just built to move boxes. It's built to think, to reason, to learn. One day it could fix your house or build rockets. That's not speculation. That's the direction we're heading. Tesla calls it physical AI, intelligence in motion. Machines that can act as fast as they think. It's what separates them from every other player. Look at the pattern. It's crystal clear now. Tesla starts with software, ends with supremacy. They don't wait for demand, they create it. Every problem becomes a prototype for innovation. When the world said EVs were impossible, Tesla built the gigafactory from dust. When critics doubted autonomous driving, Tesla trained a billion-mile neural brain. And now, when skeptics laugh at robots, Tesla smiles, because the code is already alive. But there's a deeper layer to this story. Money follows intelligence, and intelligence is scaling. AI isn't just a feature, it's an economy. The first trillion-dollar AI wave has begun.
Tesla's market cap used to be all about cars. Now, analysts are looking at algorithms for value. A $900 price target? That's not just a dream, it's insight. Once Tesla taps into intelligence, the sky's the limit. Imagine renting an Optimus instead of hiring help. Picture a fleet of AI workers on a subscription model. Every robot could be like a digital employee, generating income. This isn't just automation. It's a whole new market. And it goes beyond factories and homes. Optimus could build batteries, design engines, and assemble rockets. Anything repetitive can be programmed, and anything programmable can turn a profit. This is where Elon Musk's vision comes to life. From cars to rockets to humanoid robots, it's all connected. SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, they're all parts of one system, a multi-planetary AI network built step by step. Each company feeds the next with data. Every success speeds up the next big breakthrough. At the center sits Tesla's intelligence core. It's not hype. It's the architecture of the future. Tesla's AI doesn't just drive cars, it drives destiny. But here's the paradox few understand yet. The more Tesla automates, the more it earns. The more it earns, the faster it automates. A feedback loop with infinite acceleration. This is what analysts call the singularity curve, a moment when growth becomes self-reinforcing. Tesla is walking straight toward that edge, on purpose. So when someone asks, why is Tesla worth so much? The answer isn't found in metal or motors. It's found in code, cognition, and capability. Because what they're really building isn't transportation. It's transformation. Optimus isn't a side project. It's a strategy. Every human task is now under redesign. And when machines learn faster than we teach, the economy rewrites itself overnight. This isn't just a thought. It's a journey already mapped out. Tesla is quietly crafting the future of our world. Not through flashy announcements, but through tangible innovations. Not through fantasies, but through real data. We've witnessed revolutions before. Steam transformed power. Electricity revolutionized speed. The internet reshaped our connections, but Tesla is redefining existence itself. Optimus isn't merely another AI project. It marks the dawn of synthetic evolution, a new entity born from human aspiration, a creation meant to surpass its creator. Sounds a bit daunting, right? But here's the reality. Progress often frightens us at first. Every significant advancement starts as a perceived threat. And then, out of nowhere, it becomes our bedrock. That's the insight Tesla grasps better than anyone else. They understand that fear is just potential in disguise. So they forge ahead, embracing it rather than avoiding it. When critics shouted, "AI will destroy jobs," Tesla responded, "We'll create a new kind of work." People warned, "Robots will replace humans," and Tesla replied, "They'll replace limitations." The real revolution isn't about machines at all. It's about freeing humans from the grind of repetition. It's about transforming labor into leverage and turning intelligence into limitless productivity. Optimus isn't just a robot. It's a reflection of our desires. It mirrors what humanity has always sought: time, creativity, and boundless potential. Now, picture a world powered by Tesla AI. Warehouses operate without workers, yet they're fully alive. Cars that drive you while you dream. Factories that build solutions before problems even arise. This isn't fantasy. It's already in the works. Elon Musk calls it the birth of physical AI. That's not just marketing. It's a prophecy. Tesla has been training AI in motion for years now. Every car, every sensor, every error has played a role. Now, that learning is being brought to life, literally. The first Optimus prototypes are slow, almost shy. But behind those mechanical steps lies evolution. Once one learns balance, all learn balance. Once one learns precision, all follow instantly. It's a digital hive mind expanding by the second. This is why investors are obsessed with 2026. Because that's when mass-scale production begins, not of cars, but of thinking machines. And once Tesla sells intelligence, not hardware, no market cap prediction will make sense anymore. People once laughed at the idea of space travel. Now, Tesla's sister company lands rockets like toys. The same disbelief now surrounds humanoid AI. But it always starts that way, with doubt, then dominance. Remember how smartphones changed daily life? How they made humans inseparable from technology? Optimus is that moment all over again. Except this time, the technology walks beside you. In homes, factories, streets, and cities, these machines will soon become essential companions, not just tools, but extensions of ourselves. And Tesla will own the code that connects it all. Let's talk about something important. The implications of AI are massive, even existential. How do we define humanity when machines start to think? What happens when robots outnumber us? What's the value of work in a world without workers? Tesla isn't shying away from these questions. They're leading the charge. They're designing ethics directly into their intelligence. They're programming safety before supremacy. They're teaching empathy through neural imitation. It's not just about smarter machines, it's about safer ones. Elon's biggest gamble isn't just building robots. It's about ensuring those robots love humanity back. And that's why Optimus matters more than any car. It's not just about mobility, it's about morality. Because once machines can make choices, they can also learn to care. The line between organic and artificial is blurring every day. But Tesla is making sure it blurs in harmony. Imagine a future where humans and robots create together. Not as rivals, but as partners in evolution. It might sound like science fiction, right? But remember when they doubted electric cars? Now, the streets are alive with Tesla's vision. This time, the hum is a heartbeat of code, a rhythm crafted in silicon, driven by purpose. Optimus is rising, step by digital step, and with it, humanity steps into a new chapter. The future doesn't crash in with thunder. It begins with quiet, metal footsteps. Each echo reminds us that change is here. Tesla isn't waiting for the world to catch up. It's building the world it envisioned long ago. Every great empire is born from disruption. Tesla's empire thrives on intelligence, code, energy, and motion. Three forces united. Together, they're reshaping our survival. Elon Musk once said, "AI will be bigger than cars." Now, we're starting to understand what he meant. I've been thinking about this a lot lately. Optimus isn't just a project. It's a whole new way of thinking. It's Tesla's bridge from the old world to something timeless. Every humanoid robot will carry the essence of Tesla, not in a biological sense, but in a digital, everlasting way. Imagine a neural architecture that never forgets anything, a consciousness spread across billions of machines. This isn't just manufacturing, it's about replicating thought. Every Optimus will share the same intelligence. Every upgrade, every lesson learned, shared instantly around the globe. That's not just production, it's the spread of awareness. And when we scale awareness, we change the world. Factories will transform into self-sustaining ecosystems. Cities will evolve into networks of productivity. Human labor will shift to human creativity. That's the real promise behind Tesla's vision. Not to control, but to free human potential. To make energy limitless, work effortless, and reclaim our time. But let's be clear, this isn't a perfect world. It's evolution. And evolution always requires us to adapt. Those who resist change will fade into the past, but those who embrace it will help build a brighter future. Tesla isn't just about cars, energy, or robots. It's about access to the next human age. Every shareholder, every driver, every believer is quietly funding the blueprint of tomorrow. And the numbers? They prove it's no fantasy. From $600 per share to $900, analysts are starting to see the pattern unfold. They're not betting on cars, they're betting on cognition. Tesla's true product isn't just steel or wheels. It's scalable intelligence wrapped in a business model. Every mile driven, every battery charged, feeds the same central brain, learning everything. That's why no company can catch them now, because they're not competing in the same dimension. Tesla doesn't sell mobility, it sells mastery. Meanwhile, the world is watching closely. Governments and industries are in a state of panic. Once Tesla perfects humanoid AI, everything changes. Every market, from labor to logistics, faces collapse. Who builds when builders no longer exist? Who manufactures when machines can build themselves? This isn't just a theory. It's a timeline in motion. And through it all, Elon Musk is moving forward. Unshaken, unbothered, and entirely unstoppable. He's not just leading a company, he's leading humanity. Optimus will walk among us, but that's just the beginning. It will build rockets and construct colonies on Mars. Once intelligence becomes physical, it can exist anywhere. Even across planets, the possibilities are endless. Tesla's factories are the birthplace of a new era. Each robot is born smarter than the last. Each system is designed to replicate intelligence itself. When it scales, humanity will cross its final threshold, no longer limited by cost, distance, or exhaustion, no longer chained to time or physical form. We will become the architects of an autonomous civilization. This story is about more than just profit. It's about destiny unfolding before our eyes. The machines we create will soon create for us. Tesla is at the center of this transformation. Every idea, every blueprint, every line of code matters. We're moving closer to an inevitable future, a moment when human minds are free from labor forever. So, what is Tesla really building? The answer is both simple and profound. They're crafting the future itself and teaching it how to take its first steps.